and welcome back to Reworking with Riva, a series where I turn something old into something new. Today, I will be reworking this oversized top into a form-fitting top. For this tutorial, you'll need an oversized top, a top that already fits your body well, fabric shears, tailor's chalk, and a sewing machine. First, lay your oversized top on a flat surface, smoothing out any wrinkles. Then place the already form-fitting top you have over the previous top, making sure to line up the outer edges of both shirts together. Next, take your tailor's chalk and simply outline the shape of the form-fitting top onto the one that needs to be fixed. This outline is now the new hem to be stitched. Before stitching, be sure to change the machine setting to a zigzag stitch so that the hems don't break when the fabric stretches. Now stitch along the outline you drew in one go. Repeat this step on the other side as well. Once you're done stitching, use the fabric shears to cut off the excess fabric beyond the new hem you just stitched. And you're done! I love the look of form-fitting tops and I will definitely be making more of them in the future. I'm really happy with how this top turned out and I hope you like it too. If you liked this tutorial, please be sure to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to catch you in the next one.